to class. Today we discuss current politics. Pay attention, Life ain't about comics. Now watch this interview with Rover Kennedog Jr. That's you in a wig. Shut up! Here the reporter is inquiring about Kennedog's stance on vaccines. He is clearly without a logical explanation. Meanwhile, pups are rushing elsewhere for their rabies vaccination. And then there is this. I'm out.